morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. The presence of God. Today we are going to learn the subject social studies. In social studies, today we are going to learn lesson 8 Animal Homes. Lesson 8 Animal Homes. What animal is this? Lion. Very good. This is the house of lion. How can we call it as? Den. Animal homes. Before moving on to the lesson, we are going to do one exercise. What exercise? Tick the names of the animals you see in the picture. What are the animals are there in the picture? Squirrel, monkey, deer, snake, tiger, duck, fish, fox, rabbit, bear, bird. These animals are there, no? Yes. Now we are going to do the work. Shall we give a tick? Number 1, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Monkey is there in the picture? Yes. So you have to give a tick. And then R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Rabbit is there in the picture? Yes. So you have to give a tick. And then next one. Lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Lion is there in the picture? No, lion is not there. And then B-I-R-D, bird. Bird is there? Yes, it is on the tree. So you have to give a tick. And then B-E-A-R, bear. Bear is there? Yes, it is here. So you have to give a tick. And then Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Zebra is there? No, zebra is not there in the picture. And the next one, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Tiger is there? Yes, it is sleeping. So you got to give a tick. And then S-N-A-K-E, snake. Snake is there? Yes, it is there. So you got to give a tick. We complete the exercise now. Shall we pass on to the next one? Where do animals live? Where do animals live? Where you are living? You are living in your home, no? Yes. Then animals are having home? Yes, animals need homes, no? To keep themselves safe from other animals. Yes, so they need homes. Like us, animals also need a home. First, animals live on land. What are the animals that live on the land? We are going to see some animals that live on land. Dog, rabbit, horse, rhinoceros, and then dog with the puppy. These are all the animals that live on the land. First, we are going to learn about this animal. What animal is this? Lion. Very good. You are right. I am Gaju. I am Gaju. Gaju is the name of this lion. I live in a den. Where does it live? Lion lives in a den. Very good. What's the name of this lion? Gaju. What is this? Rat. Very good. You are telling correctly. What's the name of the rat? Shall we see? I am Chikku. I am Chikku. C-H-I-K-U. Chikku. I am Chikku. I live in a hole. H-O-L-E, hole. I live in a hole. What's the name of this rat? Chiku. Where does it live? It lives in a hole. These animals also live on land. Look at the next one. What is this? Bee. Very good. I am B-U-Z-Z-Y. Buzzy. Buzz. This is the sound of the bee, no? Yes, we learnt it in English, no? We learnt it in English subject, no? Buzzing sound. Yes, Buzzy. And its name is Buzzy. I am Buzzy. I live in a hive. H-I-V-E, hive. I live in a hive. What's the name of this bee? Buzzy. I am Buzzy. I live in a hive. Look at the next one. What is this? It's very naughty only, no? See, look at here. What animal is it? It's a monkey. Very good. I am Chimpu. C-H-I-M-P-U. Chimpu. I am Chimpu. I live in a tree. Where does it live? It lives in a tree. What's the name of this monkey? Chimpu. What's the name of the lion? Gaju. What's the name of the rat? Chiku. What's the name of the bee? Buzzy. What's the name of the monkey? Chimpu. Very good. Some animals live in homes that people make. These are all the homes. A lion den, mice hole, rat hole, buzzy hive, tree, everything that the animals make, otherwise the God makes that tree. Those are the homes that animals can make it on their own. But some animals that we can keep in our home. What for them we make home, no? Yes. What are the animals? Shall we see? What animal is this? Cow. Very good. I am G-A-U-R-I, Gauri. I live in a shed. This home, we only make this home, no? For this cow? Yes. How can we call it as? Cow lives in a shed. S-H-E-D, shed. I am Gauri. I live in a shed. Look at it. What is this? It's a hen. Very good. It's a hen. I am Lali. I live in a coop. C-O-O-P, coop. C-O-O-P, coop. I am Lali. I live in a coop. And what animal is this? Horse. What's its name? I am Snowy. S-N-O-W-Y, Snowy. What's the name of this horse? Snowy. I live in a stable. Where does it live? It lives in a stable. This stable we only make it for horse. So this is a home we made. But the beehive and the rat hole, lion den, everything, that home, the animals can make it on their own. Okay. Some animals live in water. First we learn about the animals that live on their own and the animals we make home for them. Now we are going to learn some animals live in water. What are the animals live in water? Shall we see? Look at here. F-I-S-H, fish. Very good. Fish. S-E-A-C-H-O-R-S-E, horse. Sea horse. This is a sea horse. And then O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. What is this? Octopus. Very good. Look at the next one. S-T-A-R, star. Fish, fish, star fish. And then lobster, lobster. These are the animals we can see in water. What are the animals we can see in water? What are the animals? Fish, seahorse, octopus, starfish and lobster. These are the 5 animals we can see in water. And some more animals are there that we can see both on land and in water. Some animals live both on land and in water. What are the animals? Shall we see? Yes. Turtle, turtle. Turtle, turtle. Frog, frog. Frog, frog. And then crab, crab. These are the animals we can see in water and on land. Okay. Now, these animals are the animals that live both on land and in water. These animals are living in water, in sea water as well as in fresh water. So, we should not dirty the water. We should not dirty the water. We should keep the water clean. We should not keep the waste in the water where the animals are living. Okay children, now you understand the lesson. The 4 types of animals. One is the animals that live on land. For the animals we make home. What are the animals? For which animals we are making home, that you learn. And then animals live in water and the animals live both on land and in water. These 4 things you learn in this lesson. And the next, shall we do the book exercise? Read and answer. Part A, fill in the blanks. Choose words from the tortoise. Tortoise is here, no? What are the options are there? COOP, coop. LION, lion. WATER, water. TREE, tree. Number 1, a monkey lives in a. Where the monkey lives? Where the monkey lives? The monkey lives in a tree. Very good. Tree option is here, no? TREE, tree. Yes, this is the correct option. A dash lives in a den. Which animal lives in a den? Lion. Very good. LION, lion. Number 3, we keep hens in a coop. We make a home for a hen, no? Yes. How can we call as? Coop. COOP, coop. And then turtles live in water. WATER, water. Shall we write the answer? A monkey lives in a tree. TREE, tree. A lion lives in a den. We keep hens in a coop. COOP, coop. Turtles live in water. WATER, water. Shall we pass on to the next one? Look at part B. Tick the correct pictures. Number 1. This animal lives on land. Which animal lives on land? What's the first animal? Rabbit or fish? Which one lives on land? Which one lives on land? Rabbit. So you have to give a tick in rabbit. Number 2. Bees live here. Where do bees live? Part A, option A, hive, or option B, nest. Where does it live? It lives in a hive. Good. Number 3, we keep cows here. Where shall we keep the cows? In the coop, otherwise in the shed. Where shall we keep? We keep the cows in the shed. Shall we do this? The animal lives on land is a rabbit. Bees live here. Hive. We keep cows here. Shed. Complete this, children. Shall we pass on to the next one? Option D, part D, think and answer. This is an animal home. This is an animal home. Which animal would you keep in it? Circle your answer. What is this? Tank full of water. Which animal you keep it inside? RABBIT, rabbit, or FISH, fish, otherwise GIRAFFE, giraffe. Which one you keep? I keep fish. Very good. Fish only lives in water. No, water is there in this tank. So which animal we have to keep? We have to keep fish. Shall we do the next one? Look at the part E. Do and learn. Part E, activity. Circle the names of 6 animals in this word search. What animal is this, children? Kangaroo. So we circle here. They already circle in the book. KANGAROO, kangaroo. What animal is this? This is a cow. What's the spelling for cow? COW, cow. Now we have to find out other animals. They gave 6 animals. They already circled 2 animals. We have to find out the 4 animals. Now, shall we do this? Next, I find out the 4 animals. Shall we do that? CRAB, crab. And the next one is HORSE, horse. And the next one LION, lion. And the next one is BEE, bee. These are the 4 animals. They already gave 2 animals. Now we find out the remaining 4. We find out the 6 animals, no? Yes. Shall we pass on to the next one? What are the animals we find out? Crab, lion, horse and bee. Part F, fill in the blanks. Choose from the names you have circled in the word search. First we did word search, no? Yes, from that word search, what are the words we circle? That we are going to write here. Number 1, I live on land. I am a kangaroo. They already gave the answer. Number 2, I live in water. I am a, you find that? Yes, crab. CRAB, crab. Number 3, I live in a den. I am a, which one lives in a den? Very good, lion, LION, lion. Number 4, I am kept in a stable. Which one is kept in a stable? We make stable for that animal. What animal? Horse. Very good. I am a horse. HORSE, horse. Number 5, I am kept in a shed. I am a, for which animal? We make shed. Cow. Very good. COW, cow. Number 6, I live in a hive. I am a bee. Very good. Shall we write the answer now? I live in water. I am a crab. CRAB, crab. I live in a den. I am a lion. LION, lion. I am kept in a stable. I am a horse. HORSE, horse. I am kept in a shed. I am a cow. COW, cow. I live in a hive. I am a bee. B-E-E, bee. Very good. Now we complete the book exercise and today's homework. What is today's homework? You have to read this lesson 8 in the book. What's the name of the lesson? Animal homes in the book, and you have to complete the book exercises. Okay children, I hope you all enjoyed this session and you all love to see the pictures of animals. You have to do all the book exercise children. We will meet in the next session. Thank you children. Thank you all for your cooperation. Thank you.